Based on data from the Biodiversity Management Bureau of the Department of Environment and Natural Resources, there are over 700 species of birds in the Philippines. Over 200 of these are considered endemic, while 13 are near endemic.
We do not have an exact number of the population of the Philippine eagle. It's about 392 pairs or 784 individuals throughout the country. Number one cause of its population decline is still hunting of the species and loss of its forest habitat. And for now, we have 32 captive eagles at the Davao-based Philippine Eagle Center, which is the only NGO that's authorized by the DENR to rehabilitate and rescue Philippine eagles. 18 of these eagles are wild-caught and 14 are captive bred. And with this, we want to highlight also because of the conservation breeding that was started at the Philippine Eagle Center. Nahatch si Pag-asa, if you remember, in January 1992. So ito, pinapakita natin that our eagles, they reproduce. It's only when they venture into open landscapes that they become vulnerable to trapping and shooting. The BMB, or as the Biodiversity Management Bureau, as we all know, or formerly called the Protected Areas and Wildlife Bureau, it's Philippine biodiversity that is to provide natural resiliency and sustain benefits for the present and future generations. And part of our vision, of course, is to conserve and protect Philippine biodiversity. Because a lot of people, they harvest wildlife, they engage in illegal hunting. So we are here to tell people, everyone has a role in conservation. Each species may function yan sa ecosystem natin. Hindi porket cute sila, huhulihin, ibebenta. No. Ang wildlife does not only constitute the animals that we have around. Wildlife also includes our fauna. Ito ang tinuturo natin sa tao, ang wildlife in general. We have to conserve and protect our biodiversity because ang biodiversity natin, ito yung mga samot-saring buhay na nakaloob sa ating ecosystem.